Before we start, I have to correct a minor mistake from the last video. Back to our download zip file, find the folder named CSS, and there is a file named style.css inside. Open it in text editor and copy all the code. In our front-end project folder, open the app.css file, remove all the previous codes, paste and replace everything. This step will add the customized style sheets for our products page. Now we have the layout ready with 4 components: top, middle, and bottom. Let's import the HTML code into each component. First one is the navigation. Open the index.html file in our download zip file folder. After the body tag, you will see the opening nav HTML tag and find the closing nav HTML tag. Select all the code between them, including the opening and closing nav tags. Right-click to select copy. Go back to our code editor, open navigation.js file, enter components layout folder. Replace the h1 tags with the copied code. Press Ctrl and H to bring up the Find Replace window. Type class in Find text box. Type class name in Replace text box. Name start with capital N. Press the second button to replace all the class attributes name with class name. Open the browser. We will see the update navigation components showing up. In HTML, we use class to define the attributes for styling, but in React.js, we have to use class name. Next, we repeat the same steps for the other 3 components. Make sure to replace class attributes with class name. In our content section, replace class attributes with class name, and also delete all the HTML comments. Otherwise, the React.js will display error messages. Let's check the page again. There are some new errors. The regular HTML inline styling is against React.js syntax rules. Let's fix this one by create a new variable named inline style. Copy the inline style into this variable as properties. Make field adjustments. Ctrl and H again, and replace the inline styling with the React.js variable name. Press Replace All button and save the file. Go back our browser. The page is working as expected. Now we have imported all the HTML code into each component. Next video, we will talk about how to render our page with data from MongoDB.